Hi, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to round a number to two decimals in Excel. Well, first of all, you need to select the number that you want to round to two decimals. Suppose in this number there are four decimals in total. You want to press Ctrl plus 1. This brings up the Format Cells window. In this, either you want to go to number or currency. In number, you select the decimal places to 2. Here, 2 is selected, and you get the demonstration in the sample section. This is what we want to achieve. When we press OK, the number has been rounded to two decimals. Suppose it can be done in another way. This is rather easy. In the number section, you will find two options: increase decimal and decrease decimal. In this case, if we click on increase decimal, you'll find that the decimal has been increased. A 0 has been added at the end. Now, if you want to decrease the decimal, you want to click once, twice, thrice, and there you have it. Two decimals are only present in the cell. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.